Jesus, and my name nam the baby. But Otian say, as some Joseph Cossey, Mutin Pone, Naso, Mopone na Mutuniano, Minya Kupafa, Edia Dancidi at Etiamame. There was already a Good Friday. In Good Friday, we see the hands of the enemy. On your couple, you see what time for sa. It's not time for himself here. But say now when him say, it drew sorry Cosiada, and near my best, and near my bedtime. Na bet wants some, and Pastor I do want some. Na Bible say, I will for now when Jesus and Ano. Oh, who saw the Mutumino, and Momutu toss a pity. They fell asleep as if they were dead. That's the power of the resurrection. It is a power. Our Philippians are or say that I may know him and the power of his resurrection. Send me who know and in who saw you to me. The purpose of just say, the nipan to me. Who saw you to me. It was okay, John chapter 11. I say, I broke on I say, only a beman way. I say, rather, wa bon wa pro. Also, can't you probina umpia buono in Filipotana? And I'm saying I'm married no matter. I put any public brains, Omunya Mema, a piano. But okay, Mark and Mark Gospel now. Or see Abra, Mary Magdalene and Manicon. They were telling, they were discussing among themselves. Yeah, ma. A boy so here, I remember by 8 and a piano. You pay your 10. So when they were seeing impossibility, when they were saying we cannot do it, when they were saying we cannot roll off the stone, Bible say, Abraham Peter would tell Channel, no, who saw you to me that day, and money. And then the Bible say, oh, who saw you to me and your powerful. So never tell so, Nasa when the baby of Abraham made the resurrection power come to your assistance. Also, Peter would tell no one a day and money. And then the person catch your name. A more piano assem and cool cry. Because as some of 1 Corinthians chapter 15 can say, or say, death, where is your victory? Death, where is your stand? Oh, who couldn't tell away. Oh, one no bread away. Says, baby, I urano. Obey to me for a 1 year day, entertain your beauty. And said, they need the ultimate weapon for the enemy. And then Jesus said, "One minute, what tell us?